Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Western Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Western Finance Login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now it will lead you to a login page. Here you have to type in your username and your password. So type in your username. Now type in your password. If you want to reset your password, you can click on this link. And if password reset is not working, you can email at this email address. And if you don't have an account yet, you can click on register as a new user and create a new account. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Western Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.